In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a photo gallery on your GoDaddy website. This is an essential skill if you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your site, whether you're showcasing products, portfolios, or just your favorite images. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to the GoDaddy website. You'll want to begin by signing in to your account, so click on the sign in button. If you're on your own device, feel free to save any login credentials to expedite this process in the future. Once you've successfully logged in, locate and click on the website option. This will take you to all the GoDaddy products you have, including your website builder. Now, click on Edit Website. This will open the website builder interface where all your editing and customization magic happens. On the left panel, you'll see a list of tools and features. Look for and click on Add section, which will reveal various design elements you can incorporate into your site. From here, find Image Gallery in the list of options and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you organize and display images beautifully. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your selection, so click on Add to proceed. Once your Image Gallery section is added, you'll see a placeholder gallery on your page. Click on any of these placeholder images to start customizing. A menu will appear offering you several options. Choose Change Image to begin swapping out the default images for your own. You'll then need to select the images you want to include in your gallery. Browse through your device's image library and choose the photos that best represent your content or theme. After selecting your preferred images, click Insert. In addition to simply uploading photos, this is where the fun truly begins. Take the time to customize each image by adjusting the layout, captions, and image order to reflect your brand and message. If you decide that an image doesn't belong in the gallery, removing it is straightforward. Simply click on the unwanted image, then select Remove from Gallery. This allows you to streamline your gallery and keeps the focus on what's most important. Finally, it's crucial to preview your changes before making them live. Use the preview tool to see how your gallery will look to your site visitors. When you're satisfied with the layout and images, it's time to publish your site, making the updated gallery visible to everyone. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized a photo gallery on your GoDaddy website. This new feature will undoubtedly help your site become more engaging and aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.